everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today, you guys, I found my new everyday work wig. She's here. Let me go ahead and thank Luvme Hair for sponsoring this video today. They sent over this 10-inch Water Wave C-part 5x5 closure. At this point, I'm just ready to go to work. Listen, I'm wearing this wig to work for a few months. She's gonna be around, first runner-up. No, okay, so this wig is so freaking cute. I love these curls. The lace is lacing. Sorry, I'm actually hot and sweating, so if you see any, ooh, look, my wig can't even stay down because it's so hot in here, like I can't even breathe. I can't even breathe. But anyway, so this is the lace, you guys. The lace looks really good. The curls on this wig, like I hope you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, because the curls on this wig is the curls I would want in real life. If I had to pick a curl, this is the type of curl I want. I want to be born with. You know, this is what I'm asking to be born with, please. They're cute, they're juicy. I put some water and leave-in conditioner in it and then just diffuse them. Super easy. The part comes like this, so you don't even have to try to do this type of part. They got the part for you. You don't have to do it, baby. You don't got to do it. So yes, this is cute. I'm wearing her to work. She's my everyday work wig. But I mean, y'all can definitely spruce this up. Y'all can go out with this. You can go to brunch. You can go on date night. You can do whatever. She's cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so hot. Ooh. And look, even the product I put in my hair, it still has body yaddy yaddy. She's not giving stiff. I love it. I love it. I love her. But yes, if you guys want to see me install this wig, you see how easy it is. Like, I really didn't do much. I really didn't do much at all. This is easy. This is beginner friendly, and look at it. It looks so natural. Like, stop. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Leave my Instagram right here so you can follow me there. Let's get into this wig, y'all. All right, you guys. Love me. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello to the girls. She's not here to play. So the first thing you're going to get is your pouch. You have the edge wrap in there and a baby hair brush. And then we have a purple bonnet, wig caps, cute little brochure with all the information and QR codes that you will want to know about, okay? And of course, a wig bag. We need one of these. So, ooh, this feels good. So this is a C-part wig, meaning it's making this C shape right here. And that's pretty much all the lace you have underneath here. But then on the outside, it's looking like a 5x5 closure, you know? I like that. So inside we have a couple of combs, adjustable bands, another comb at the bottom, and then your adjustable straps on the side as well. Right, so this is a 10-inch Water Wave C-parted Undetectable Minimalist wig. Hold on, let me give you a close-up on the lace if you guys want to see it. It does look like a little bit pre-plucked for you guys. Are you guys catching that? It does look pre-plucked. The curls feel so good. So yeah, so I'm gonna put these on. The curls feel really soft and like juicy, thick. It's a nice like density. It's very thick. I'm probably just gonna put like some water and conditioner in this and diffuse it. But this should be like almost like ready to go. Just get the kinks out, define those curls real quick. I think this is gonna be like a little spritzer, you know? So yeah, so anyway, I'll come back at the end after I'm done styling this. Look at this. Not giving stiff, baby. And the luster, did I get the luster on there? She's cute. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I'm done. I'm so damn hot in my room. I'm so hot. Anyway, okay, so this is how the hair turned out, y'all. Okay, first of all, let's start with the lace. We'll start with the lace. Giving very good. Okay, it's a 5x5 C-part closure. There's only parting to do a C-part. You can't do a part anywhere around here, but it does have a lace. It looks like a 5x5 worth of lace. So it's giving very, very natural, undetected minimalist. Okay, yes. Come through with the accuracy, okay? Look at the curls. I put some water and leave-in conditioner in it, scrunched it up, diffused it, and this is how the curls came out. They look really good. I don't know if y'all gonna get this wig or not, but I'm just gonna say this wig was made for me, okay? Like it or not, the wig was made for me. I'm about to wear this to work. It's about to be my new everyday work wig. Yeah, I'm wearing this to work. I'm wearing this to work. It is so cute. It is the perfect density. It's 10 inches. It's a water wave curl. It's definitely giving everyday. Oh, but I didn't do too much. Like, I wasn't trying too hard. I just made sure my curls look good. Like, that's all it looks like. And the parting already came parted, so you don't even have to worry about the parting. Look how flat it is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm definitely wearing this for the... I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my little wig satin bag, and I'm gonna bring it back out later on this week when I go to work, okay? Yes, because we're putting her back on. And it's a 5x5, so you know it's super, super easy. You don't have to worry about air tabs or anything like that. But yeah, it just looks very, very cute, sexy, and low maintenance. So yes, I like her. Yeah, she gets a everyday 8, okay? She gets an everyday 8 on a scale from 1 to 10, we're talking about. But yes. All right, you guys. So make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, okay? Thank you again, Eunice Hair, for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check out all their information in the description box. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.